go too wrong. Well, that could be a lie, but one way to do the gardens. See this one here, I think it's both these buildings now, but that's one of the ones, one side's really expensive and one side's not too bad, I think. It was so weird because it had lights like a flashing, like a cop car, but it wasn't. Down here's the worst for that, like, sort of pungent smell, isn't it? So I feel like I just beat you up. See, I'm not sure if it's this one or the next one that we turn down. It's one of these though. When we go to, yeah, it's huge, that ABC still. But yeah, I can't remember if it's like, I don't know where this white car's going. Pick that. You coming? Yeah, I don't know if we have to, I don't think we walk down that one, but it must be the next one. There's a cookie place right there. Is this the same guy that we spoke to last time? Try. Do my best. They're out early, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think maybe it was like when you come through here, I think is where we meet. But I'm sure it had like it ticked off. Do you know what I mean? Like on the edge.
Oh, this is where we come from.
I think so, yeah. Like I think it had it on there somewhere.
Yeah. Don't say yes and then. They're just there for money laundering.
Well, it's got their Waikiki tours and activities, loading and unloading. But I know it had it on some, like on the thing on the map. I'm sure it had like around here as the cross. Maybe it's that bit where it has Aloha Landing. Was that what it was called? Maybe. Obviously, we'll double check it when we get back, but I'm pretty sure it was something like that. It was Aloha Landing, or I'm sure by the time we're heading down here, there'll be someone that can tell us exactly where we've got to be. The other one was obviously easier because it's Ross's.
Yeah.
Like, and it was, and
wrong with that.
it was literally walk across the street to get there. So. But in saying that, look at all these people lined up with maybe, or is it for a shop, or what are they doing?
Once I see the map, we'll figure it out.
Trolley stop. So maybe that's what that's for. She had a little stare on, didn't she? Need to tilt the camera a bit more, I think. Right, we'll cut out. I think the biggest problem is you need about a year just to be able to eat and drink and everything that you want to do.
Yeah.
Vintage Coffee, always super busy. I'm pretty sure they're the ones that own the shave ice back there, aren't they? And the juice bar. Sunny.
Beautiful.
I had that moment then for a second where I'm like, did I grab my phone? I did a quick pocket tap. Beachcomber. Cheesecake Factory. I thought they'd be open for breakfast by now.
Yeah.
Maybe they're open at 8. It's only 8 o'clock now. Maybe.
Do they open for breakfast?
I thought they had a breakfast menu, but I could be wrong. It looked like bits of it was sort of open, but they weren't open. It's over. Bumping. I can't remember if it's on the sign. Is it this one here that has the original price for staying here when it opened? Have a look. Open 1901.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
$1.50.
$1.50 a night when opened. It'd be good if they did that deal. But yeah, first hotel in Hawaii for $1.50.
You're wrong.
It's hard to imagine that was ever like a big amount.
I
Like you can't even get a water for that now. Yeah, do you know what I mean? So today we've got Kālia Ranch UTV tour, but we thought we're up, may as well go for a walk. Have a look. Not that anything's open this time of day, but it's just nice to walk. It's already hot. Sun's out. Then you got the police station. You got Waikiki Bistro down there. Food, drink. Waves are out there today, aren't they?
Yeah.
You got Duke.
Got a lot of waves today.
Yeah,
Maybe people did the first one.
could be. There's probably people too coming down, like probably haven't cleaned it up from last night, because I think they come down and, well, they have to every now and then to remove them because it gets that stack. go all the way up, or?
It's up to you. We just have to make sure we're back in time.
Yeah. Alright, well I might stop this one here and then we'll do another video heading back. So as always, like, sub, or don't like and sub, either way.